ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 51 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4. ಮಹಾಚಲ ಪ್ರತಿಮತನೋಃ ಗುಹಾನಿಭ ಪ್ರಸಾರಿತ ಪ್ರಥಿತಮುಖಸ್ಯ ಕಾನನೆ ಮುಖೋದರಂ ವಿಹರಣ ಕೌತುಕಾದ್ಗತಾಃ ಕುಮಾರಕಾಃ ಕಿಮಪಿ ವಿದುರಗೆ ತ್ವಯಿ. Word by word meaning. Twayi, when, thou. Kimapi vidurage, wert a little away. Viharana kautukat, out of eagerness to play. Kumarakaha, the boys. Kanane, in the forest. Mahachala pratimatanoho, whose body was like a huge mountain. Guhanibha prasarita prathita mukhasya, guhanibam, like a cave. Prasaritam, spread out, wide open. Prathitam, extended, huge. Mukham, mouth, whose huge mouth was wide open like a cave. Tasya mukhodaram, his mouth cavity. Gataha, entered. Full meaning. When thou wert a little away, the boys, desiring to play in the forest, entered the mouth of the python, whose body was like a huge mountain, and the mouth wide open like a cave, mistaking it for a cave in the mountain. Om Tat Sat.